There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up, everybody? So today we're about to do an Outre perfect hairline unit, which is Peak 704, and she's available at Sam's Beauty. So y'all see this wig? She came with all the parting in the world, an elastic adjustable band, combs, and a strap at the nape. But I'm talking about all the lace that you get. So first I decided to try it with my grip band. The lace is so transparent that I had to actually wear the unit without any type of wig cap or any type of silicone grip band. Now this lace is very nice and thin. The Peak hairline is like something totally different, and I'm shocked that it's in a synthetic wig. But y'all know Outre, they will have you looking slayed to the gods, okay? Now, like I stated, this is available at Sam's Beauty, and the color is burgundy highlights or burgundy ombre. Either way, the color is amazing. I love the texture of this unit. This is giving me kind of like a light kinky texture, like kinky hair that's been pressed, or even a yaki texture. So the unit is definitely textured, which is amazing because that makes it look more natural, realistic. So before you put on any type of adhesive, make sure your hairline is clean like you see me doing with my cloth. I'm going to be using the Even New York because I'm trying to use up my products. This little can cost me $5 at the beauty supply store, and I'm going to use it until it's empty. It does give a good hold, but I wouldn't say for outdoor sport or anything like that. But the Even New York spray is great for sitting and looking cute, okay? And that's what we're doing here. It did tack down this unit. I like the stickiness of the actual adhesive, but for doing active sports, girl, no, this will have you pulling and tugging down at your wig and checking your edges, okay? But let's get into the wig though. The wig is actually beautiful. I'm really feeling all of the parting space that it has. I love the thinned out hairline that it's given. Now, I didn't have a comb on hand and I wasn't trying to get up. So that's the reason why you see me using the clip or the back of my toothbrush to just, smooth the sides, the hairline down. Now, like I said, the hairline is very thinned out. There's plenty of parting in this unit. This is a 13x4. So girl, you can part and just part away and have all the parting that you want. But I really do like the fact that the lace is so transparent that you can see through and you don't need a wig cap because it's just that transparent. Now, these synthetic wigs are really getting popular, and I love that they're putting in elastic bands just to make sure that your wig fits so much more secure, even in a synthetic wig. I love the hairlines that they are creating for these synthetic wigs, the faux baby hairs. Everything about this wig is just screaming elegant. You know what I'm saying? I love the density of it. I definitely love the length of it. It's not too long. It's not too short. I feel like the length is just right, and the density also is just right. Look at all this parting you can do. You can do a curved part, a straight part. You can give yourself plenty of parting, okay? That's what's really good about the unit. But also, the fact that it is textured is a plus. I decided to go with the middle part only because I love the widow's peak in it. I think the widow's peak makes it look a lot more natural, in my opinion, only because it's not rounded. The widow's peak, yes, if every last wig did this with their units, we would be set and ready to go every time we threw on a wig, whether it be human or synthetic. I think the widow's peak gives it a great touch. Plus the fact that it does hold heat. So I decided to take my hot comb, and it's on 350. I didn't want to do it too hot, just to kind of like flatten the hairline, the middle out, just so that way I can have like a really good, neat part. And look at this hair. This is the one thing that I do like about synthetic hair. it holds a curl. It has memory. So whether you part to the left or to the right, you're going to have a curl. And look how nicely layered this unit is. I'm really liking this color. I love the unit. Girl, go out and get this wig, for real. Like, this is definitely a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, okay? Slay all day like it's your B-day, because this wig is affordable and it's available at Sam's Beauty. Now, if you don't care for the color that I have it in, girl, get your favorite color. Look at this. Look how the hair easily flows and easily part. So if you really wanted to pull it up and put it in like a short updo or a little ponytail or whatever, you can do that with this Outre perfect hairline. Girl, run and get this wig. I'm telling you, you will thank me later. I will leave all of the information down below. Look at that. So you can definitely pull that up. Look at that hairline. Very natural, girl, for a synthetic wig with very minimal work. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.